Everyone wants a sleek snatch ponytail, but the real question is which gel actually holds up. I tested 7 different gels from over 315 natural gelled hairstyles from my own rotation for shine, hold, and longevity. Some surprised me and some of them failed. By the end, there was only one clear winner. Stay with me to find out which gel really delivers that flawless ponytail. Welcome to my channel. Those of you who are new, those of you who are coming back, welcome back. I'm Emerald C. For those of you who do not know me, I'm here with my signature lazy girl hairstyle, which is this side ponytail. It is probably my go-to when I want something done in a rush. I can easily dress it up, I can dress it down, be perfect for a date, for a brunch, or just lounging. If there's a meeting, if there's work, honestly, you could do a lot with this side ponytail. We are here to review gels that allow me to put my hair up into this ponytail. I want us to keep in mind a little quick backstory. I have very thick hair, like my natural hair, very thick. I haven't been relaxed, haven't had a relaxer touch my hair in like 10 years at this point. So relaxer free. I have super thick, curly, coiled hair, all right? Like huge, big afro type hair. So to get this kind of slickage without straightening, without blow drying, without any of the extra stuff to kind of layer on smoothness, this is again, like straight out the shower, dried, combed out, and sleeked up into a ponytail hair. No relaxer, no straightening combs, no flat iron, nothing. So we're gonna go through gels that can help you get this look without having to go through the whole process. And not only that, we're gonna review and give them stars. We wanna see what's a 1-star, what's a 5-star, what works best when we're trying to get sleekage for the pony. So we're gonna start off in no particular order with the GOT2B glue. Now I know this is traditional when you are using this for your lace wigs, because I do lace wigs too. When you're using it for your lace wigs to push your hair back before you put on a cap and blow dry it and spray down, that whole thing. This is also good for ponytails and getting like this kind of sleekage too. Now I've been using this for years before I ever even decided to do anything with lace. I love this because it's not flaking. It does not allow my hair to flake, so I don't have to worry about that. It does dry. When it dries, it is hard. So you can like scratch and it sounds like when you scratch or when you tap, that's what you're hearing. It is more of a harder texture, but I promise you this, when you pull your hair up, nothing will move. You will not have to worry about any frizz or anything like that, and it will last for a long time. I give this one a solid 4 stars because it does stay hard and it sounds like you're wearing a helmet when you tap on your hair. And I'm not a fan of that. And then when it's time to take it down, you can't really comb it down. You definitely have to like wash it out. But let me tell you this, I can assure it will glide on well. And it is a bit of a thicker texture. It's like a thicker texture. It's very sticky. It's really sticky. Okay, it's not showing here, but definitely a stickier gel, but it will definitely do the job. And it gives light shine. So it's not really matte, but it's not like a bright, vibrant shine. So solid 4 stars here. Next up, we have our BTL Extreme Performance Braiding Gel Professional for braids, twists, and locks, which retails for $7.99. Price tag is still on here. I use this. I started using this for my faux locks when I get faux locks in the summertime, but don't sleep on it because I use this. Actually, this is what's in my hair currently to sleek this pony that we have in here now. The texture is a very thick gel, like it's a harder gel. It's thick, it does not go anywhere. And I love this because it provides shine, but not so much shine that it looks unnatural. Like I can wear it with this ponytail and it not outshine the ponytail. And it looks like, okay, this is like more natural. So I do like that this provides. I also like how well it holds. Now, again, I know it's for, braids and locks and things like that, but I love how well this holds. It is thicker. And I'll just actually smooth the rest on there. It does not flake. I love that there's no flakiness there because again, it's so thick. There's no white residue that's left over. It smells phenomenal and a little bit goes a long way. So this right here for me is definitely a solid 5. So this is probably one of my favorite gels to use to swoop my ponytail up. Shine and Jam. So we all know Shine and Jam. This is like another go-to for hair ponytails. This one, if you are not familiar with it, it also is a thick gel, but I don't feel like it's as thick as our last gel we went through. It is thick, but it's like a softer consistency. You do need a little bit more of this in comparison to the last one to be able to glide across. I feel like this is good, not for a long time. Like my hair is not gonna last days in this. It might go half a day without any frizz, be very shiny and work well. This gel has more of a glossier shine opposed to like a nicer natural appearance when it comes to hair. My natural hair with this gel will make my hair outshine the ponytail, and I don't want that. I don't want to have like a matte ponytail and then have a super shiny, you know, head in the front. I want it to, again, look somewhat natural. This gel is another one I have been using for years. For ponytails, I would say it is 2 out of 5 because, again, it does not last very long. I need something that's going to last all day, and bonus points if it lasts until the next day and then another day. I would absolutely love that. This, for me, lasts maybe a half a day before my hair begins to get frizzy. There is no buildup, no residue, no white flaking, nothing like that. So we're gonna give it a go ahead and give it a solid 2. Braid Formula Super Holds. Who makes this? Conditioning gel. I don't know who makes this. Well, this is what it looks like. This is another one that's like super thick. It's very thick. So this is another one I use. It has no scent, which is a bonus for those of you who may be scent sensitive. This is another gel that I bought before I bought the BTL first braiding gel that I actually use for this hair. I bought this first for the same thing, like when I did my box braids, my faux locks, and my braids in the summertime. And I feel like it worked well. It does not have any scent, which is awesome for those of you who do not like scented things. It will last quite a bit. So I want to say this lasts maybe a day and a half for a nice sleek ponytail. It's not overly glossy, which I like. It gives it a more natural look. Hold for it is pretty good. I can lay it down, don't have to worry about frizz, residue, or nothing like that. I would definitely give a 4 out of 5. Eco Styler Professional Styling Gel with olive oil, shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed. So as you can see, this is damn near empty. It's that little teeny tiny corner that's in here. This is another one. I love the way this smells. This smells so good. Oh my God, this smells so amazing. For ponytails, the downside to this is I would have to layer it on thick and then wrap up my hair, blow dry it, and allow for it to dry. So it does take time for it to dry. When it dries not hard, so it doesn't have like that scrapey hat helmet sound that it'll make. It will dry softer. It does not present any frizz for a while. Will last for a little bit. But this is definitely not one of my go-to for sleek ponytails. I honestly use this in the summertime when I do twist outs and I want like a little bit of whole definition to my natural hair for my curls for the twist out because of all the different like natural components in it that I love. So I love this, I really do, but not for a consistent ponytail. So when it comes to specifically rating it for a ponytail, it is probably a 2 out of 5. Again, the scent is amazing. I just don't like the fact that I have to wait for it to dry and blow dry it. And it takes a lot of work for that. That's too much for me. Opposed to the other one, sleek it up, put on my hair tie, pop on my little ponytail, brush it out, and go. With this, it's more of a project, and I'm not a fan of that because I'll be ready to go. This is another Eco Styler gel, professional styling gel with olive oil. It says 10, maximum hold for all hair types, repairs, conditions, defines, moisturize, soothes, and shine. This gel is kind of like the other Eco Styler gel, except the other one that we just went through smells really good. This one is a softer gel, so it's very bouncy, it's flexible, it's not sticky like our GOT2B, because GOT2B is super sticky. This is not sticky at all, but again, this is another one where it takes a while for it to really hold. So you can't just put it on now and go. You have to put it on, wrap it up, dry it out, and make sure you didn't miss anything, and then wait for it to dry completely before it's good to go. But when it is good to go, it's not super overly shiny, so it does matches and kind of mattifies with any additional hair that you have, especially if you're adding a piece like me. It's not flaky at all. There's really no scent to it, so I can't say, oh my God, it smells really good like the last one. There's really not much of a scent to it, which is awesome for those of you who don't like scented things or have sensitive skin or, sensitive to fragrance. That's awesome. When it comes to ponytails, I don't often use it for ponytails because I don't have time to wait for everything to just like together and then dry out and go through that whole process. If I know I'm gonna have a ponytail for a while, because usually it's like a quick style, if I'm like, okay, this whole week I'm gonna have a ponytail and I don't want it to be flaky, I don't want to have to keep applying every day, I would invest in this to sleek it up, wrap it, dry it, especially if I'm gonna be around the house for the day and I'm like, okay, it has time to dry, or I don't have to sit here under the blow dryer or the hooded dryer and wait for it to dry. So that's the benefit for it. I do use it, another one like the last Eco Styler gel, more for when I do my twist outs in the summertime and I want a more natural hold. And I also love that it's water-based, because water-based products are phenomenal for hydrating your hair. And then I always layer it with something that is moisturizing and then an oil to kind of seal everything in. Ponytail version of this it's definitely like a 2. It's a 2 because I like to get up and go. Last but not least, we have the Cream of Nature with argan oil from Morocco for natural hair, maximum hold styling snot. Ugh, I hate the word snot, that's gross. Smooths hair, controls edges, tames frizz, provides exotic shine. There are no sulfate, silicone, mineral oil, and no petroleum. This smells so good. I wanted to love it so bad. I put it on and I'm like, oh, this holds so well. It held very, very well. It didn't take too much time for drying. It has more of a GOT2B styling texture. You know how like the texture is kind of sticky and it leaves a little bit of sticky residue on your hands? It's more like that. It's like a stickier consistency. This right here, this styling snot gel, It leaves me with so much white flakiness in my hair. And it sucks because when I first put it on, and we're talking on clean, fresh hair, right? When I first put it on, it just does its thing. It needs a slight amount of time to dry, just a short amount of time to dry. So it can honestly dry within 5 minutes, even if I don't wrap it up when I do like my ponytails. And when it dries with like a mattified version of my hair. So it doesn't look dry or anything. It kind of looks like it matches the pony, which is exactly what I'm looking for. It does dry a little bit of a harder texture, a little bit of a harder helmet hat texture. So when you scratch it, you can hear that just a little bit, you can hear it. So when it first dries, there is no white residue, no dryness, nothing going on. However, as the day progresses, it will certainly have little white specks in between. And I've tried this multiple times on clean hair, on old hair. I have tried it and I'm like, oh my God, because I want to love this so bad. It smells phenomenal. I love like everything, no parabens, no mineral oil, no sulfates. Like that's phenomenal. It's a little bit closer to the natural side. It was supposed to be my favorite out of everything, but it let me down the most. And I don't know what to do to make it not flake. So unfortunately, I have to give it a 1 star. And this hurts my soul because this probably smells the best out of all of them. The hold for it is phenomenal. And it let me down. So we're looking at 1 star with this one. If you have any of these gels, I want to hear your feedback. I want to hear what your favorite gel is, what holds the best for you for ponytails, how long does it last, is it giving shiny, is it mattified? I want to hear from you. Drop your feedback in the comments below. If you haven't already, I want you to stop what you're doing and hit that subscribe button right now. Hit it. I want you to hit it. Don't pass go. Don't you leave this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And until then, I will see you in the next video. Toodaloo.